But I am a nature guy, guys. Here we are, Mammoth Cave. I'm Larry, and I'm a little bit of a tree hugger. I hug trees, guys. Yeah, I admit it. I admit it. Nature's good. Oh, yeah. I ain't ashamed. All right, this is the visitor center. I just got my ticket. Ticket right here. This is what I got. The historic tour at 10 a.m. Friday, May 22nd, 2026. Got to be there at Fort A at 9:55. Yeah. Let's go just walk over to the merch. Here, I'll just give you guys a rundown what the heck they got in here. Long sleeve jackets they got. Bats. Pins, patches. Bags. Books. Rocks. About rocks, probably. Okay. Stuffies. Bandanas. Okay. Oh, wow. Goodies. Monopoly. Okay. Oh, owls. Okay. Books. Mugs. Hats. Okay. Mammoth Cave. I like the patch. That's a pretty cool patch. Oh, cool. Swag. Got it. This is it. Shelter A. I have to meet here. This is where my group's gonna be.
And here we go. If you have any heart or breathing problems, trouble navigating stairs, walking long distances, or other health concerns, please consider your limitations. It takes several hours to get evacuated from the cave, okay? Several hours.
Oh, here we are. This is it. Okay. Look at this walkway. Holy heck, this is epic. Am I getting this? I'm walking down the stairs here. Oh, snap, here we go. You got people buried down here. Dang. Look at that ceiling. Ceilings are very low. Ceilings are very low. Oh, you can't touch it. Yeah, that's right. I'm breaking the rules. Take a look at all this. I think this is a big old drop here. Let's see what this is. Look at this. Okay, that ain't too bad. The pit, let's call it the pit. Here's another pit, but we can't see the bottom.
I'd like to take a snap of this thing and drop it. That'd be kind of cool though, not gonna lie.
Wow.
That's pretty deep, huh? Wow. Yeah, I keep that thing on me, but I got this bright flashlight. We can see some things. Oh, sweet. My dad actually gave me this flashlight. Thanks, Dad. Love you. Okay. Fat Man's Misery book. Okay, this is what it looks like. Yeah, keep bumping my head, dude.
That'd be a little awkward. Oh, you can stand straight over here.
See, when you're both tall and fat, this is
Yeah.
just
Oh
torture.
my goodness. Yeah. How's your back doing?
Oh, it's there.
Oh yeah. We still got it. Yeah. Oh wow.
I've done much worse, so.
Okay, good. You're prepared.
Yeah. I've done this at some point, but I forgot about this part.
Yeah, it's my first time. We're at another spot, though. Yeah, you got a good angle.
Look at the stairs.
Well, what the? You hear the water, but it's coming down there. Okay. Look how high up. Oh my gosh. Look all the way up there. Whoa. And it's going all the way down, bro. Yeah, look what's right behind me, bro. When you come to Mammoth Cave, you got stairs upon stairs. All right, let's do it, bro. Here we go. All right, just got done with my tour, 2-hour tour, historic tour. It was pretty cool. I know I just like filmed it, just when I could. We just walked not too deep in it really. It's just like barely scratching the surface. They got a lot of pathways and stuff. I thought it'd be like more like raw cave, but it's just like, yeah, like this, bars and just kind of, you can't, it's not free roam, okay? So, I did check yesterday. It was like this small cave. I didn't want to go down there. I didn't want to get dirty, but I'll check it out today. I'll go down there and see what's going on. All right. We took the beaten path. We're going to go down here. There's the springs down here. We got to look at it. It's going to be really muddy. I could be getting messy today, but I got to check this spring out. I checked it out yesterday. I checked up from up there yesterday, and I saw there's a path over here. I was like, maybe I can get down there. I don't know. That's a steep hill. Oh, shoot. I'm already mudsliding. Shit. Yeah, it's steep as heck. Here it is. Hold on. Oh, God, dang. But I want to get down there. Look at this. I have to. I gotta try it. What path should I take? I'm gonna get muddy anyways, but might as well just slide all the way down, I think. I might. That is steep. There's branches right here, so I might climb down. All right. See you guys down there, hopefully. Oh, I was recording that whole time? Look at this. I'm down here. I'm all muddied up. I mudslide down that damn thing. Check me out. Take a look at it. How's that look? Hell yeah. Yeah, I was wanting to find me a place to meditate, but I was on a tour and the line just, kept it moving. So there's not like a point to just sit there and relax for a second. I'm in the thick of it, though. I'm trying to get to that side. There's a bunch of rocks out there. We're rock hopping. All right, here we go. I'm gonna start with this bigger rock, right? This rock, then that rock, and then jump. Or this rock, that rock, and jump. Here we go. Put in my pocket. I'm gonna put you on my pocket when I do this. Let's go. We can do this. Oh, damn. We did it. I got even more muddy autograph. My phone's all muddy now. Here I am, dude. Look at this cave. Nobody around. Peaceful. Yeah, I'm just gonna hit my vape and just meditate for a second. Look at this. This is so cool. Wow! Wow! Sweet. Check this scene out, y'all. This is right by the cave I'm at. It's picture perfect. Look at this moss. Wow. Wow. Incredible. Big ass tree. Hell yeah. Here's where I'm down in. Oh yeah, guys. I meditated for like 20 minutes. What a spot. This is like one of the most coolest things I've ever done. Check this out. It's so cool. Check out this big, gigantic tree. All the moss on it, dude. It's beautiful. Big, beautiful tree, man. I gotta hug it. I gotta hug it. Oh, wow. Check that out. How do I look? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Wow. Heck yeah. That is... No, that's the real deal right there. That's sweet. Wow. This is one of the coolest spots I've ever seen. And especially there ain't nobody here, bro. This is the only one. But the downfall, bub, I gotta get back up here. I don't know how. I slid down this whole thing, bub. See that mudslide? That was me. I gotta get back up there. All right. Wish me luck.